We're SlikRok Productions, and we want to give a shout out to SSV. These guys make, in our opinion, the best UTV stereo equipment out there. The best. These guys are ridiculous. We just put a new kits in our Pro Rs and our Kawasaki's. And aside from them sounding just phenomenal, the fit and finish is ridiculous. These guys do so much R&D on these things. They make it so simple. Everything is cut to length. It's all plug and play. You don't have to splice into anything. It's super clean. It's super easy to use. This machine particularly, it's got a ride command system in it. Whether you're using one of their head units or a ride command, they have everything you need. So it's super simple. But when you take this thing apart, you know, it's like there's a little tray in there with the amp on it. They give you a replacement piece. This is the factory amp that came out of it. You just unplug it. They have a new tray. They have a new, bigger, better amp on there. Their phase amps are just awesome. This thing sounds so good. The Cowies sound so good. The subs in them, you know, it's like everything about their kits just amazes us. These guys do a great job. And on top of that, these guys support the industry. Every event that we go to, these guys pop up at. They're constantly asking people what they want to see. They're always being innovative. They support the UTV industry. They support us in every way. These guys are great guys. If you guys have an SSV kit, certainly chime in and tell everybody else how awesome they are and what your buddies are missing out on. If you're looking for a kit, certainly hit up SSV. You will not be disappointed.